Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now let's continue our exploration of tomato juice by examining its potential health benefits, how it can fit into a balanced lifestyle, and important considerations when choosing and consuming it regularly. The immune system benefits from a variety of nutrients, and tomato juice provides several of them. Vitamin C is particularly important because it supports the body's natural defense mechanisms. Every day, the immune system works to identify and respond to potential threats. Adequate nutrition plays a key role in supporting this complex process. While drinking tomato juice alone will not prevent illness, it can contribute valuable nutrients that help the body function properly. Combined with adequate sleep, regular exercise, stress management, and a nutritious diet, tomato juice can be part of a healthy routine. Skin health is another area where tomato juice often receives attention. The vitamins and antioxidants found in tomatoes may help support healthy skin. Vitamin C contributes to collagen production, which helps maintain skin structure. Antioxidants help protect cells from oxidative stress caused by environmental factors such as pollution and sunlight. Some people even use tomato-based products in homemade skincare routines, although consuming tomatoes through food and beverages remains the most reliable way to obtain their nutritional benefits. Healthy skin depends on many factors, including hydration, nutrition, sleep, and proper skincare habits. Many individuals enjoy tomato juice as part of weight management efforts. Because it is relatively low in calories and contains nutrients that promote satiety, tomato juice can serve as a satisfying beverage option. Replacing sugary drinks with tomato juice may help reduce overall calorie intake for some people. However, it is important to remember that weight management depends on overall eating habits and physical activity levels rather than any single food or beverage. Tomato juice can be a useful addition to a balanced diet, but lasting results come from consistent healthy lifestyle choices. There are many creative ways to enjoy tomato juice. Some people prefer it chilled and served on its own, while others use it as a base for soups, sauces, and smoothies. It can be combined with vegetables such as celery, carrots, spinach, or cucumbers to create nutrient-rich blends. Herbs and spices like basil, parsley, black pepper, and garlic can add extra flavor without significantly increasing calories. Tomato juice can also be incorporated into marinades and cooking recipes, adding both moisture and nutritional value to meals. Its versatility makes it easy to include in a wide range of dietary patterns. When selecting tomato juice, consumers should pay attention to ingredient lists and nutrition labels. Some commercial products contain added salt, sugar, or preservatives. Excessive sodium intake may contribute to health concerns in certain individuals. Choosing low sodium or no salt added varieties can help reduce sodium consumption while still providing the nutritional benefits of tomatoes. Freshly prepared tomato juice is another option for those who prefer greater control over ingredients. Making tomato juice at home allows individuals to customize flavor and nutrient content according to personal preferences. Although tomato juice offers many potential benefits, moderation remains important. Drinking excessive amounts of any beverage may not be ideal. Some individuals may experience digestive discomfort if they consume large quantities of acidic foods and beverages. Tomatoes are naturally acidic, which may cause symptoms in people who are sensitive to acidic foods. Additionally, certain medical conditions may require dietary adjustments, so individuals with specific health concerns should consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice. Understanding personal needs and preferences is an important part of making healthy dietary choices. The popularity of tomato juice continues to grow as more people seek nutritious and convenient beverage options. Its combination of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and hydration makes it an appealing choice for individuals looking to support overall wellness. From its rich history to its impressive nutritional profile, tomato juice demonstrates how a simple food can provide a variety of valuable nutrients. While it is not a miracle drink, it can be a beneficial part of a healthy lifestyle when consumed as part of a balanced diet. In conclusion, tomato juice is far more than just a refreshing beverage. It is a nutrient-rich drink that contains vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and plant compounds that support overall health and wellness. From promoting hydration and providing essential nutrients to delivering the powerful antioxidant lycopene, tomato juice offers a range of potential benefits. Whether enjoyed on its own, blended with other vegetables, or incorporated into recipes, it remains a versatile and accessible option for many people. By choosing quality products, practicing moderation, and maintaining a balanced lifestyle, individuals can enjoy tomato juice as part of their journey toward better health and nutrition. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.